Okay, so find the partial sum, S sub 5, means the sum of the first 5 terms, for the geometric series with A1 is 2, R is 5. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 ways to do this problem. Kind of a formal way, which is actually a little bit longer, and then an informal, casual, just bang, 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 here's your answer. You probably like the second way better. But anyway, I'll do the formal way first off. So they say right here, it's geometric. So geometric, now I got to go to the geometric formulas. And we're doing the sum. We're doing the sum of a geometric series. So I just go down and go, okay. So here's my notes. Here's the formulas. Arithmetic, no, I don't want arithmetic. I want geometric, and there's 2 formulas. There's the A sub n, the S sub n. We said sum. So geometric sum, here it is right here. A1 times 1 minus R to the n over 1 minus R. It's a fancy formula. All right. Let's use it. So geometric, so can you get scribbly there? Sum is S sub n. S stands for sum. Now, if you notice, the A sub n formulas are not sum, and S sub n is always for sum, for both arithmetic and geometric. The S sub n stands for sum. So what is it? It's A1 times 1 minus R to the n over 1 minus R. I think, did I get that right? Let me go double check. Yeah. Well, they put the A1 on the top. Whatever, it's the same thing. I'll put it on the top if that bugs you. I hope you know it's the same, though. It's the same, right? Well, why is it the same? Because if you have the A1 in the front, then it's alone. Anything alone is really what? Over 1. So you multiply, it goes where? It goes to the top, of course. So it's the same thing. All right, I'll put it up there anyway. So there we go. There's the formula. So how do we do it? Well, A1 is the first term. They tell me that's 2. No mystery there. That's going to plug in as a 2. And then we're going to go 1 minus R. Now, what's R? Well, if you go down to the geometric stuff, do they tell me R? Oh, yeah, they just gave it to me. I don't need to go look anywhere. Right there, they just handed it to me on a silver platter, didn't they? R is 5. Thank you very much. 1 minus 5 over 1 minus, and 1 on top, 1 minus 5 to the end. Good so far? And then they said 5 terms. So there's my n. Plug in 5 right there for n. So this is going to end up, this is pretty nice. This is going to be 2, 1 minus 5 to the 5 over 1 minus 5. Right? And so that's S sub n, or S sub 5. It's technically 5. We're finding S sub 5 because we're plugging in 5 for n, which is what they said, S sub 5, first 5 terms. It's 2, 1 minus, hit the buttons on your calculator, 5 to the 5, what is that? 3125 over, the bottom is negative 4. So that's, I'm just going to crank it out right here. That's going to be 2 times, that's going to be minus 3124 over negative 4. And I'm getting positive 1562. There it is. So 1562. There it is. I found the sum of the first 5 terms. So what did I do? I used the S sub n formula for geometric. They said geometric series sum. So I grabbed that formula, plugged in A1 is 2, R is 5, and n was also 5. First 5 terms. So worked it out, 1562. Now the other way you can do it, I'll just say or, you don't like that. Or what you could do is you could just say, look, the A1 is 2, so that's the first term, 2. And then R is 5, that means you multiply by 5 every time. So to get the next term, you go times 5, that'd be 10. And then times 5, that'd be 50. And then times 5 would be what, 250. And then times 5, use your calculator if you need to, 1250. Those are the first 5 terms. And what are we supposed to do with those first 5 terms? Add them up. So you just go, oh, you want me to add those up? Yeah, I just want you to add those up. Grab your calculator, hit the buttons. Guess what? 1562. Done. Don't even need to use the formulas. Do you see that? If you want to just do that, that's fine. So here I did it without the formula. How so? Well, they gave me the first term, 2. They gave me the R, which is what you multiply. It's called the ratio. If you look at the notes, so it tells you that specifically. R is the ratio. It is also the number multiplied, right? Multiplied right here from term to term. So you can say, that's the ratio. So you just multiply that. So times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and then add them up. They want the sum. It'll come out 1562. Same answer as if you use the whole formula. Probably a little quicker the second way. And there we go.